Okay folks, legoSkrall here, and I'm gonna do a little how-to on the minigun Skrall was holding in Skrall's left farmer. This has been requested by Kopaka for life. Yeah, just want to point it out. Okay, first what you're gonna need. You're gonna need one of these, 4 of these, doesn't matter what color, 8 of these round dots, 1 of these, 6 of these, 13 of these, doesn't matter, they're like this blue, 5 of these, color scheme doesn't matter either. I think 5 of these, not quite sure, maybe 4, doesn't matter. Yeah, you're gonna need 4 of these. Can be black, can be red, can be any color really. Wait, that's the same. 1 of these. 6 of these, they're 10 long, you can use an instruction booklet for this. 1 of 3 long, can be gray, can be black. 3 of 4 long. Let's just see. 2 of 5 long. And 3 of 6 long. Then you're gonna need this. Let's just see. You're gonna need 8 of these. 1 of these has to be gray. 2 of these. 1 like this. 1 like this. 2 of these. 2 of these. 5 of these, doesn't really matter what color scheme they are. Can be white, can be black, can be whatever you want. Let's see. 2 of these. 2 of these. 1 of these. Gee, I can see it. 3 of these, it doesn't matter what color. 1 of these. 1 of these. 2 of these. And 1 of these. Hang on a second. Yeah, sorry, my mom came in here. Anyways, let's just start with the back. Gonna take this piece, 1 of these black. Take these, put it in. Same for the other side. Take this, hold it between, like this. Put the gray one in here, or black, doesn't matter. Then we're gonna need this 4, I think. Yeah. And we're gonna put that aside. We're gonna take 1 of these. Oh gee, let's just see. I think I need this one, this here. 1 of these black, through the middle. These in here. Put it in. Easy. Then this. Put this in here. 1 of these blue. Oh gee. Back here. Let's just see, huh? Put that aside too for a second. We're gonna need this. Put it in here. Plug it in. Gee, now I'm hesitating. I'm not quite sure. These are for the for up. Take 1 of these 4s. Put it in here. Like this. Then put this plug on it. Gee, then you gotta fit it, man. How was it again? Gee, good God. Damn, I'm confused. It was supposed to go through it all the way. Oh, wait, my bad. This has to go one forward. God damn it. Yeah, I kind of built this very fast, so I don't really know how it exactly is. Give me a second here. Okay, folks, little change of plans here. So this piece, you just take one of these, put it in here, and this right next to it. And then in the back, you just put one here, and then you slide this on. Yeah, there. Okay. Then you put one of these in here, and you can slide this in. Then you take this and put it in here like this. Okay. So that's the back parts. Now let's go to the front. Put this aside and go to the front. Yeah, it kind of took a few pieces, so you gotta take one of these again. This piece, plug it in. Wait. Take this. Do it easier. There you go. Put them like this. Take this one, put it in here. Yeah. It's kind of whistling, sort of. You're gonna take this. You don't have to take this. Okay. You take this, put it on each other. If it works, son of a. There. Oh wait, this has to go one lower. Yeah, sorry, it's like... Well, I guess I already explained you. Well, it doesn't matter. I like to talk to myself sometimes. Anyways, so then you have this. Kinda unstable still. Yeah, I forgot something again. You take this, put it in here, take this, put it up here, take one of these again, and take these two, and you put them on there. It's morning and I'm a bit stressed up and blah blah blah, you know.